Well, we went ahead and ordered a 2023 RAM Promaster 2500, the 159-inch wheelbase and the high roof. Unfortunately, we ordered it with a hitch, but it doesn't have the standard connector that it's all set up to go to a brake controller, so I need to install it myself. Luckily, I found a PDF online from Ram Trucks that says they do not have a factory install connector, but it does show where the brake switch is that you have to connect into, and it also tells you that which wire that you need, which is the green and with the white tracer, and it sort of talks about where you can fuse the positive on the battery, and it shows you where the blue wire is in the passenger side wheel well. I went with the REDARC Tow Pro Elite. I wanted something with the small connector that I could put on the dashboard and then hide the rest of the unit. So here's the connector. It's little white connector, and the wire closest to us is dark green with a white tracer, and it goes down to the brake pedal. I had to open the harness up here, and I tapped into it and I soldered it on. I've got the red wire connected to the green and white trigger brake light wire, and I've got the meter grounded to the chassis here. So when I press, it's 0 volts now, but when I press the brake, you can see I get 12.8 volts. So the trigger wire is working. I was hoping to put the brake controller switch in one of these blanks here, but when you take it out, it's one complete unit. There's nowhere you can drill through. I removed this plate with a bolt and 2 screws, and I mounted the controller up on the firewall. I decided to mount the switch in the fuse box door, so I used a 1-inch drill bit to drill a hole in it. I inserted the plate through, and now I can put the door back in. That's where it's going to be mounted. Fuse door is closed. These caps just pry off, and there's screws underneath. First you have to take the pillar cover off here. There's 4 Phillips head screws there. And you have to take off the front cover here. There's 3 screws, one's hidden up here. And then this whole bottom piece lifts out. And you can see the green trailer brake wire, the blue trailer brake wire. This is the blue trailer wire that was pre-installed with the harness. I've run this wire up through a new harness and over by the fuse box. I made connections with all the wires here, and I've ran a piece of conduit from that hole over there over to here, and I've got the positive wire connected here and the negative wire connected over there. I've got to reinstall all the panels, and then it's time for a test drive so we can get it calibrated. The unit's all calibrated now. It's solid blue. It was blue and green blinking, but it's all set now. Well, I hope this was helpful. If it was, please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.